right.
All right, I'm at 919 Hillcrest. We're trying to repair this shingle here. So this is actually my install guy. So this is a repair video. This is the shed. It unfortunately has the same wind damage as this. So we're breaking the seal right now, being as gentle as possible. This is a regular repair. This is a guy who actually does this. So we're popping the seal to get the nails. That one needs to get dislocated. Just taking the nails out right now. There's one. You can see the seals are intact. Being as gentle as possible. And this is one of like a few we would have to do. I think 4 or 5 on this roof, probably more. Taking the nails out. Coming out. Now we need to find. You guys got a new shingle? Gracias. That's okay. Yeah, let's por favor. Just one new shingle. As you can see, this is not a not a planned thing. We're just trying to figure out the repairability of this shingle. Perfect. All right, we got a new one we're putting in. All right, so let's see how it works. Gracias. Okay. All right, let's put it in. You're gonna have to pull those. You have nails?
Yeah, I'm gonna put these nails right here.
Yeah, we'll just use those for now, just to see what. So you know, in order to do this, we're gonna have to pull those shingles up a little bit to. Por favor, gracias. All right. See if these shingles withstand a repair. There's one. You can see the granules coming off right now. Just be a little more gentle. Yep. They like to see how really the pliability of these. So we're just checking where the nails go. Okay, there we go. All right. Snake. Okay. A little more gentle. This is a real repair. This is how they are. This is
Good.
Okay, hold my phone. Grab my phone and video me. I just want to look and just put yep. All right, let's see. So you can see these shingles did not withstand a repair. You got granule loss all right here. This is definitely a fail. And obviously we have this one over here. We got a few over there. These are the same shingles that we had we used on the main roof that also failed repairs. So this is the same thing. It's just a different structure. So again, thank you. Cut.